Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, if you're just coming to my channel for the first time, do well to click the subscribe button because that's definitely going to give you a notification whenever I upload a new video. And there are many more amazing videos because this is just the beginning of the course. Well, you came in early, so you can check out the two previous video about the course so you are in line with whatever we're going to learn till um I guess till when we're done learning. Yeah. So now on this model, which is the we stay in the model one, but this is a slight theory, a sub model in the model one, which is foundation of or basic operation in computer. So today we'll be looking at the operating system overview. So just go to be a talk through session. So do well to watch to the end and do well to watch to the end. Yeah. Now our today's slide will be operating system overview. Now the software that powers our computer, that's what basically going to talk about. Now the first thing is, what's an operating system, which is also known as an OS. So whenever you hear the word OS, you just know that they're talking of an operating system, and know that an OS is a primary software that manage all the hardware and other software in a computer. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. Now it's just going to be like, I'm trying to understand something and you're still using a lot of the big English that I really want you to break down. Now they're just telling you that an operating system is just like, take it to be the take it to be, how simple can we make this? Now an operating system, a bridge, okay, yeah, it's just like your mind, your body, soul, and your body, mind, and your action. Now whatever thing you have in your mind is like an operating system. Yeah, that's the way the brain works. Whatsoever thing you have in your mind that has not been brought to an action is just there. That's an operating system. It's operating right in your brain, and all of a sudden when you put it to action, it's just between you and whatsoever action you carry out. The mind is not the operating system. So I believe that's more of a definition for you. Now let's move on to the comparison of Windows, macOS, and Linux. Yeah, there are three basic so I can say operating system. Yeah, they are the Windows, the macOS, the Linux, and there's one other called the quantum computer. We're not talking about that in the session of this video because we're basically going to focus on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now Windows is known for its wide compatibility with various softwares and hardwares. It has a very user-friendly interface and dominance in the desktop market. That's people goes for Windows a lot of people go for Windows, while macOS is exclusive to Apple computer, and it has a nice design, strong features, and seamless integration with other Apple products. That's the communication between, like the connectivity between a macOS and other Apple devices. Just so, I don't know how they did that. Like you could easily connect your iWatch to your laptop, easily connect your phone to that's superb. That's one thing they're exclusive for. While the Linux is an open source operating system, it's highly customizable, it's secured. It's just like you're using a private software that like nobody it's almost invisible whenever you're doing something, and it's preferred for servers. That's people wants to be into re-add servers. Like you get to understand that in more videos to come. Now the user interface and experience are called different OS. Note this is the next subversion, which is the user interface, sorry, not interface. The user interface and experience across different operating system. Windows offer a familiar desktop environment with start menu and taskbar. Yeah, while for macOS, a fixture of Docker and a minimalist design that focus on ease of use. While for the Linux, it provides a variety of desktop environments and straightforward to highly customized. Now the Linux is basically getting almost all the credit here, but note Windows and macOS are the one are computers I will go for if I'm not going into add servers work. Now for market shares and user and scenarios, Windows dominates the market for sure. We know that commonly used in business and personal computing. Almost all office uses the Windows. A public office, a private office, you see that almost all their desktop are Windows 11, Windows 11, Windows 10 Pro, and further on. Why for Mac OS, this is like a business professional laptop, just something, just say fashion laptop. Yeah, I call it a fashion laptop because of how slick, how thin it can be, how it just, you will know when you're talking of something of fashion. Yeah, just like the way the iPhone 11, 13, and some other kind of phone for the iPhone product looks like. While for Linux, it's widely used as a server computer. Nobody uses it to maybe play games, stuff like that. It just used as a server, and you understand what a server is in time to come in this category. If maybe we've not touched that in our previous session. Now, the lecture text for today is just. I'm telling you now. Now, welcome to the today's lecture about operating system. And we know that an operating system, or an OS, is the lifeblood of a computer system. It is the vital software that manages the hardware resources and provides service for computer programs. Let's delve into the three most prevalent operating system in the world as we know today. Is the Windows, the macOS, and the Linux. Windows is renowned for its extensive compatibility and user-friendly interface, making it a stable computer in the house and office worldwide. While macOS is an OS, or an operating system of the Apple company, it is celebrated for its elegant design and robust security features, often furthered by creativity and professionalism. Now, Linux stands out as a versatile and open source option, favored for its customizability and used extensively in several environments. Now, each of these operating systems offer a unique user interface and experience. Windows provides a familiar environment with a startup menu and taskbar, while the macOS, I'll confess, it offers a sleek dock and a minimalist design, while for the Linux, on the other hand, presents a variety of desktop environments to cater to different preferences, from the simple to the highly specialized. Now, in terms of market shares, Windows hold a significant portion of the desktop market. macOS is prevalent in creative industry and education, and Linux dominates the server market as we know today. And it's beloved by high-tech users with the enthusiasm for its flexibility and control. That's your basically the control manager of the Linux computer. Even though you can do that with the macOS and the Windows, you just see a bit larger and obvious difference between control there. Now, we should note that by understanding the strengths and capability of each, you'll be able to be equipped to select the right tool for your need and to appreciate the intricate dance between software and hardware that enable our digital world. So now it's all left to you to know which of these computer systems do I want to use. Do I want to go for the Windows? Do I want to go for the macOS? Or do I want to go for the Linux computer? Well, any of them you go for, the choice is left to you, because all are operating system, and basically we operate in whatsoever way you want the systems to operate. So have a nice day, guys, and do well to subscribe to my channel if you got to the end of this video. And know this, that the class just started, the course just started, so do well to follow up, guys, and share this video to those who you want to learn about the computer and they have no knowledge about the computer. That's why this video is here to help them. Till I come your way again, man, I remember humble self, honestly, God's time, Bye.